Hello student, now let us start exercise 2.1 from chapter 2. First question, which of the following expressions are polynomial in one variable and which are not? State reason for your answer. For example, I write down your first question, part 1, 4x square minus 3x plus 7. Now, first we have to look at here. According to statement in one variable, this is in one variable, then variable is x and degree is 2 and degree is 2 in whole number. Degree किसको represent कर रही है? Whole number को. That means given number is polynomial. Number 2, y square plus root 2. This number is also included in polynomial. First condition in one variable. Second condition is power in whole. So this number is also in polynomial. In one variable. One variable y with degree 2. Clear? Degree 2 is in whole number. Part 3rd, 3 root t plus t root 2. First we have simplified this number. 3 t raised to power 1 by 2 plus t root 2. First term is fulfilled here. It is in one variable. That variable is t. But power in fraction. If power 1 by 2 is not included in whole number. So given number is not in polynomial. Not polynomial. Reason? What is the reason of behind it? According to the definitions of polynomials, constant into variable power whole. So first number is constant, variable is present, but power I want in whole number, but here in rational number. So given number is not in polynomial. Third one is fourth question, y plus 2 upon y. First we simplify this number, y plus y raised to power minus 1 into 2. This equation is in one variable. Polynomial first condition is fulfilled here, but power is in negative form. So given number is not a polynomial. Why it is not polynomial? Because power is not in whole number. That's why. So this is the first question. First number is polynomial because power is whole. Second question is also polynomial because power is whole. Third one is not polynomial. Why? Base is, I know that variable is same, but power in fraction form. That's why given number is not polynomial. Fourth, y plus 2 upon y. When I simplify this number, then number is in whole equation is in variable y, but power is not a whole. So that's why this number is also not polynomial. That is the formula of polynomial. If this formula is implement on the equation, then given number is polynomial, otherwise no. Question number 2. Write the coefficients of x square from the following equation. We just see that the coefficient of x square. Just we see the number of x square. If something is not there, if nothing is there in the constant form, then you can write down 1 here. So you can write down coefficient of, in the short form you can use coefficient of x square equal to 1. If no constant is there, then you can put that 1. So again you can write down coefficient of x square is equal to minus 1. Why I write down minus 1 here? Because negative sign is in the front of 1. That's why I am written here minus 1. If plus, that is your wish. You can put or not. If you put, no problem. If you not put, then it's okay. We understood that if given number is there, then it means positive number. Here, coefficient of x square equal to pi by 2. Same thing, if you want to put plus, you can do, otherwise no need to do here. Here, you can write down coefficient of x square. Coefficient of x square, here you can see that any power of x square, here is any coefficient power of x square, no. It means coefficient of x square is 0. If something is not available for us, then I give the answer in 0 form. Again I repeat you here from write the coefficient of x square. If something is not, if constant number is not given to us, then you can put that 1 here. Then coefficient of x square 1. If you want to put plus, then you can put, otherwise no need to put here. Next question, 2 minus x square plus 1. Same thing is that if no constant is there, then you can put that 1 here. Coefficient of x square 1. Why I put minus here? Because minus number is given. Next, coefficient of x square pi by 2. For root x minus 1. Here is no number of x square. No number. It means coefficient of x square equal to 0. Question number 3. Give one example each of a binomial of degree 35 and of a monomial of degree 100. In the basic, I already explained to you what is the meaning of binomial. Binomial means two terms. But degree is given to here 35. So we are use the degree 35. Now you can write down x raised to power 35 plus 7. Now I have two number and degree is 35. Variables power is 35 plus 7. So our condition is fulfilled. I have two terms and degree is 35. Yes, student? Next, and of a monomial. Mono means, mono means one. Mono means one term. But degree 100. Then you can write down x raised to power 100. Whatever you can write down here, if you want to do, you can write down 5, 6, 7, 8. It's up to on. If you want to do, then you can write, otherwise simply you can write down x raised to power 100. Because in the monomial, I want only one term. That is the number is x raised to power 100. Again I repeat you, each of binomial means b. B means two terms. I want to two terms. But please, you have to keep one thing in your mind. If you write down here two terms, but whenever you can write, one is in variable and one is in constant. Don't write like this. X raised to power 35 plus x raised to power 35. It is absolutely wrong. Because both are like term. If we are at this number, then answer I have 2x raised to power 35. So don't do be wrong. If you want to write down in the two terms, you can write down one in the variable and second is constant. Otherwise, you can write down here something else. Monomial, one term. Then you can write down 5x raised to power 100, 6x raised to power 100, and simply also you can write x raised to power 100. All these are correct. Question number 4. Write the degree of each of the following polynomials. According to the property of the polynomial, degree of polynomial, those who listen the video of the basic, they can understand what I am saying to you here. Degree of polynomial. Highest power of variable is a polynomial is called degree of polynomial. Highest power. In the basic, when I done this number, degree of polynomial, I put more stress on the number highest power. Highest power is called polynomial. So, first part, 5x cube plus 4x square plus 7x. Power is 3, power is 2 and power is 1. I mean to degree 2, 3 and 1. But which is the highest power? 3. Then we can write down the degree of polynomial in the bracket highest power 3. Part 2, 4 minus y square. Here is 4. If nothing is there, then you can write down y raised to power 0. So, which is greater? Which power is greater, 0 or 2? 2. Then answer of degree is 2. Third one, 5t minus root 7. This number is constant. So, we are not considered this number in the polynomial. We are considered degree only. Variable degree. Just we are considered not a power. We are considered variable degree. This we are simplify this sum 7 1 by 2. 7 degrees also 1 by 2 here. But t is degree is 1. But we are considered variable degree only. Not a number. By default, 1 is greater than half number. By default. But it is not for every time. So I am telling you which degree we are considered here? Variable degree. So variable degree is 1. So highest degree is 1. 4, 3. Here is no variable. Then you can write down x raised to power 0. In the basic I told you, if any number, any variable power 0, then is equal to 1. अगर किसी भी डिग्री की पावर 0 एंड वेरिएबल कांस्टेंट की पावर 0 है तो वो किसके इक्वल होगी 1. सो इट मींस हियर इज डिग्री 0. डिग्री इक्वल टू 0. इट मींस वी आर कंसीडर 0 एज अ हाईएस्ट डिग्री. Question number 5. Classify the following as linear, quadratic and cubic and polynomial. First, once again I explain to you linear, quadratic and cubic. Linear, degree 1. Quadratic, degree 2. Degree means power. Cubic, degree 3. And when we are talking about the polynomial consider a degree highest power. Clear? First start from the question. Here is 2 degrees there. 2 and 1. First, according to the property of the polynomial, we are consider highest degree. And 1 is greater than 2. It means 2 is greater than 1. So highest degree is 2. and degree 2 is called quadratic. Quadratic. Next, here is degree 1 x raised to power 1 minus x raised to power 3. Which is greater? 3 from 1. So, according to the property of polynomial, we have considered highest degree and highest degree is 3. So, given number is cubic. Third one, y plus y square plus 4. Here is degree 1, 2 and here is degree 0. Which is greater? 2. And 2 is belongs to quadratic. Quadratic. Fourth, here is 1. It means x raised to power 0 plus x raised to power 1. Which is greater? 1. 1 is greater from the 0. And 1 is related to the linear. Because in the linear, I want 1 degree. So, given number is linear. Fifth, 3t raised to power 1. Here is only 1 degree. It means simply you can say that is in linear. Here is degree 2. No other one is compared. So we can't compare with other number. So here is only 1 degree, that is 2. It means that is quadratic. Here is only degree 3. It means cubic. In this way, beta, you have to do all the sum. Thank you and have a nice day.